Labdien, dāmas un kungi! Lidmašīnas kapteinis Vjačeslavs Levinoks un apkalpes veids jūs AirBaltic lidmašīnā Airbus A220 lidojumā uz Rīgu. Lidojuma ilgums 45 minūtes. Šodien par jūsu drošību labsīt uz salonu rūpēsies Linda, Selga un Elvis. Pirms lidojuma aicinām iepazīties ar drošības karti, kur atradīsiet norādes par avārijas izejām un apgaismām līdz tām, kā arī cita svarīga informācija, lai mūsu kopējais lidojums būtu drošs un patīkams. Drošības kartē atrodas sēdekļa kabatā jūsu priekšā. Elektroniskajām ierīcēm jābūt vai nu izslēgtām vai pārslēgtām lidojuma režīmā. Vairāk informācijas meklējiet Baltic Outlook žurnālā. Un tagad lūdzam pārliecināties, ka bagāža un elektroniskās ierīces ir novietotas tām paredzētajās vietās. Galdiņu krēslā dzeltnes ir vertikālā pozīcijā, roku balsi nolaisti, logaizmiņi pacelti un drošības jostas aizsprādzētas. Lūgums vienmēr pievērst uzmanību apkalpes instrukcijām un norādēm. Evakuācijas gadījumā personīgās mantas lūdzam atstāt lidmašīnas salonā. Pavisam drīz uz ekrāniem būs vērojama drošības instrukcijas demonstrācija. Pateicamies par uzmanību un novēlam jums patīkamu lidojumu. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Captain Vjacheslavs Levinoks and its aircrew welcome you on board this AirBaltic flight to Riga. Our flight time is estimated to be 45 minutes. Linda, Selga and Elvis will take care of your safety and comfort during our flights. And now may we have your attention for safety video demonstration. Thank you, and we wish you a pleasant flight.
Welcome on board. We'll make sure you stay safe while you're with us. Now we need your full attention for the safety demonstration, even if you are a frequent flyer and know this all by heart. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. And please keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated. Smokers, please note, it is not allowed to smoke anywhere on this aircraft, including the toilets, not even electronic cigarettes. If there is a failure in the air supply, your oxygen mask will drop down automatically in front of you. Pull the mask towards you, and don't worry, the oxygen will start to flow. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, and make sure it is well adjusted before helping others. Just in case we must evacuate, there are 6 emergency exits on this airplane, marked with the green exit sign above them, in the front, in the center, and in the back. If you need to find the exit, just follow the light strips on the floor. So look around, and let us just remind you that the nearest exit might be behind you. A life jacket is located under your seat. Only when instructed by the cabin crew, remove it from its container. Place the jacket over your head, buckle the strap and tighten right around your waist. Once off the plane, pull the handle and your vest will inflate. Another way of inflating it is by blowing into the tube. You can continue to use your portable electronic devices if they have a flight mode and you switch it on now, or just turn them off while on board. For additional information about electronic device usage and stowage, check the Baltic Outlook magazine. Your health and well-being are our top priority. To minimize the potential spread of viruses, we have introduced a number of health measures on board. Please find the rules in our in-flight magazine. We kindly ask you to act responsibly and follow them. Please make sure all carry-on items are placed in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Tray tables and seats are in their upright positions, your armrests are down, window blinds are open, and your seatbelt is securely fastened. For any additional safety information, you can check out the safety cards located in the seat pocket in front of you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Please always pay attention to signs in the aircraft and the crew who's there to make your flight safe and comfortable. In the event of an evacuation, leave all personal belongings on board. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you a pleasant flight with AirBaltic.
Hyvät matkustajat, lähtöä valmistellessamme pyydämme kiinnittämään huomiota tämän lentokoneen turvaominaisuuksiin. Istuintaskuistanne löydätte turvaohjeen, josta käy ilmi varakkoskäynnit, pelastusliivit ja muut turvallisuustiedot. Pyydämme lukemaan ohjeen ennen lähtöä. Haluamme myös huomauttaa, että tupakointi on kielletty Kaikki käsimatkatavarat on sijoitettu ylähyllyille.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign
Rīgā. Vietais laiks ir 2:35 pēcpusdienā. Lūdzam jūs palikt savās vietās, līdz lidmašīna būs pilnībā apstājusies un gaismas zīmekļos redzētas ar drošības jostām tiks izslēgta. Izkāpjot, lūdzam pārbaudīt savu bagāžu, lai neko neaizmirstu lidmašīnas salonā. Esiet uzmanīgi atverot plauktus virs jums. Sniedzoties pēc savas rokas bagāžas, kā arī izkāpšanas laikā, lūdzam maksimāli ievarot distanci no citiem pasažieriem. AirBaltic vārdā pateicamies par lidojumu ar mums. Ceram jūs drīzāk redzēt mūsu lidojumos. Jaukiem šodienu uz redzēšanās! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Riga, where the local time is 2:35 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Remember to take all of your personal belongings and please take care when opening the overhead lockers. While you're reaching for your hand luggage and disembarking, please keep as much distance as possible from other passengers. On behalf of AirBaltic, we thank you for choosing to fly with us. It has been our pleasure having you on board, and we hope to welcome you on our flights again. Thank you and have a nice day.